recording. So, how are you all? Are you all doing good? We have two
Yeah,
new
ma'am.
friends here.
Yes.
Is it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Did you know them? Avani and
Yes. I know.
you know.
Yeah.
Mariam and Suhara, are you joining for the first time today?
No, no. Ma'am, I think it's the second time.
Mariam is joining for the second time.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, Suhara is joining today, right?
Yeah.
Suhara, your mic is on mute, okay? Please unmute the call and talk. Yes. So, I think Suhara, you can introduce yourself to everyone.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah. My name is Suhaira Adam Khan, and I am 10 years old. And I used to study in Sindhurst International School. And you want to be my friend? Yeah. Yes. Okay. That's all
What
I can
What
say.
you said last, sir? I did not heard about it.
I said that everyone. I said that do you want to be my friends?
Okay, good. What about your siblings and all?
My sibling is sitting because she had done 2 classes. It's her break time.
Yeah.
She's doing. She's now.
You have one sister.
Yeah, I have one sister.
Only one sister, right? Or
Yeah.
any other sibling? Yes, okay. That's it. This is, you can see their names, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can get into them by within 1 or 2 days. All are very friendly children, and you have many more friends in G4. This is only the special class, right? But
Yes.
for the normal
Yes.
class, there are many children. But I think
Yeah.
your class will be splitting. So some people will be together and the others will be in the other classes.
Yeah.
That's it. Anyway, I'm happy that we have many children in G4 and I'll be doing your G4 classes, max classes. Yes. And then all of you had your breakfast.
Yeah. Yeah. I had my breakfast.
What was the special?
Beef, ma'am, curry,
Yes, Alia.
and have fever.
Yeah, your father said, I think. Someone informed me. Yeah, your mother informed me. Okay, Alia. If you want to take rest, you can do it. Just listen to the classes. Okay, no problem. So, Sarah, we already completed one chapter. In the unit one, we already completed. We already started unit two. Okay. Zuhair and Maria, I'll just send you the recorded videos link. Okay,
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
of the first classes. So I hope you can get if you see that you can get it, and if you have any more doubt, you can ask me.
Okay.
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 Today itself, I'll send you the link and I'll add you the assignment classrooms also.
Okay.
Okay. So I'll be giving you some assignments and activities and all you can do in that, and you can submit there. Okay.
Okay.
So yeah. So can we go to the next chapter?
Yeah. Okay.
We were doing that chapter. Um, the chapter name is what? The chapter name? Avani, what was it? Were you discussing?
You know the number system?
The number system you already completed, right?
Three 2D shapes.
It was 2D shape and pattern, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So you can see it properly. I hope you can see. Everyone can see it. So we were
Yes,
discussing
ma'am.
about 2D shapes and pattern. I hope all of you know what are 2D shapes, right?
Yeah.
Maria and Zohra, you know about it, right? What are 2D shapes?
Yeah.
2D shapes will be having two dimensions. The shapes with two dimensions. What are the two dimensions, Bayan?
Two-dimensional shapes means
Mm.
like triangle, circle.
Yeah, that's okay. But what are the two dimensions 2D shapes are having?
2D shapes.
Who can say?
Ma'am, length and width.
Length and width. Very good.
Okay.
Maria, why are you keeping your video off?
No.
Okay, don't keep it off. Okay, you have to keep the video every time on. Alia has excuse because her mother already informed that she is not well. Okay. So that's it. 2D shapes are the shapes with two dimensions. Which all are the two dimensions? Length and length and width. Okay. So today we'll be discussing about 2D shapes, triangles, and different type of triangles. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. These all are the different 2D shapes. We all know the names of this shape, right? Square, rectangle, I mean square and rectangle, triangle. These all are different 2D shapes, okay? So 2D shape is a flat shape that has two dimensions, which is length and width, and with no thickness or depth. It will not be having any depth or thickness.
Yes.
The shape that's having extra depth and thickness means what shape it is? What shape it is? The shape with depth and thickness and all. What type of shape we'll say? Instead of 2D shape, that will be 3D shape. Okay? 3D shapes are the shapes with three dimensions. But 2D shapes are the shapes with only two dimensions. Understood?
Yes.
Yeah. And now let us say about polygon. What a polygon? A polygon is a two-dimensional shape which is made up of only straight lines. I'm just going so fast because we already discussed this. Okay. If Maria and Suhara is having any confusion, you can just ask me now itself. Okay. If do you have any doubt, Maria? Okay. So 2D shapes are the shape with two dimensions, and 3D shapes are the shape with three dimensions. And the dimensions of 2D shapes are length and width. Okay. And what about polygon? Polygons are 2D shapes with made up of only straight lines. Okay.
Yeah.
If there is any curve in 2D shape, that shape will not be called as polygon. But the shape with only the 2D shape with only straight lines. Say, for example, we can say like hexagon, square, rectangle, all are polygons.
Properly.
Okay, understood? Emil, any confusion, Emil? Okay. So polygons are the 2D shape which is made up of only
Straight lines.
straight lines. Examples
Lines.
are square, hexagon, rectangle, triangle are all polygons. Can anybody say which is the smallest polygon?
Mm, Smallest polygon.
Yeah, which is the smallest polygon? That means it should be a shape, okay? We can just it is not just lines. It should be a shape. To
Straight.
keep a shape closed, we just need minimum how many lines? Five.
Four.
Uh, four is the minimum.
Mm,
Okay, look here. Three triangle. We can see triangles is a polygon, right? Because it is made up of only straight line and it is a 2D shape also. So this is the smallest polygon. Okay. What about circle? Is circle a polygon? No, because circle is not having straight lines.
it's curved.
Now let me ask you, which of these shapes are polygon?
And the D. Triangle. Triangle and
Don't say the names. You can just say A, B, C, and all.
ma'am, A and B.
A is the
F B
A,
F D
F,
F B
D,
D
D.
and
Very good.
D and D.
Okay, very good. What about B, Bayan?
What?
No. Do you all have textbook?
Yes, ma'am, I have.
Okay, so please take it.
Ma'am, I don't have page number, ma'am.
Okay, if you
Ma'am,
don't have this textbook, you can just do one thing. Take your notebook,
ma'am, the page number
write the
21.
question, example, question 1, example 1.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I take the textbook and I got the polygon picture. Now you are doing.
Okay.
Do you need the page number, ma'am?
Sorry?
Do you need the page number?
I'm sorry, I don't know the page number actually. I just cut it out from the textbook.
21. 21.
Okay, 21. Emil, please take the page number 21 and then mark it, okay?
Ma'am,
Round it. Yes.
I don't have the test.
Okay, you can do one thing. You can take your notebook, Max notebook, and then just write down which of the shapes are. Just write down example 1 and answer. Okay. I already give this in the your assignment classroom. You can get it from the assignment classroom. The all slides. Okay. From the slides, you can look slides and study.
Ma'am, you can
Okay.
tick also the correct one.
Yeah.
Polygons.
You can tick off. Put the right one. Can I rub it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Miss,
Yes, Bayan.
in my test there wasn't the triangle.
What?
Yeah, there was triangle. There was only five shapes.
Take the page number 21. Okay. In the page number 21, you have to mark it. So, okay, let me go in brief. Suhara, your video is off. Make it on. Okay, we can go a little bit fast. Okay, we have to finish this all portions by today. I mean, not today. This week. Okay. And children, I'll be keeping a special class for you on Saturday. Okay. The hall revision, I'll give you the hall revision, and we'll just take a what test. Okay. Sometimes the special class will be about 1.5 hours. Any other teacher said you about the special classes?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so can I give you one time? Just note down the time, 10:30 to,
Okay, wait, ma'am. I will do it. Ma'am, on Saturday.
yeah, Saturday.
Mm. Saturday, 10:30
No,
to.
sorry. I'm saying about the 10:30 IST, okay, Indian Standard Time. So
Okay.
you just convert it into your place time. Indian time, I'm saying 10:30 to 12. That means 1.5 hours will be the class. 10:30 to 12.
10:30.
That means if it is in Dubai, that will be from 9 to 10:30.
Okay. 9
Dubai,
to
Abu Dhabi, and all it's 9 to
2.
10:30.
9 to 9 to 10:30. Ma'am,
Okay.
can I write
So
it in the calendar?
I think you can do it after the class.
Okay, okay.
Okay. So look here, children. So now we'll discuss about triangles. So what are the different type of triangles? Do you know what are the different types of triangles? Hmm?
I know isosceles.
Yeah, there are three different types of triangle. One is equilateral triangle. The second one is isosceles triangle, and the third one is scalene triangle. Okay, just
Okay.
repeat please with me. Equilateral,
Equilateral,
isosceles,
isosceles,
and scalene.
scale.
Scalene. Okay. So we'll discuss about the peculiarities of all of these triangles. Okay. First, we'll discuss about the equilateral triangle. What are equilateral triangle? All sides will be equal. That means three of the sides. Triangle is
Side,
having three sides, right?
Yeah.
all the angles and sides will be equal. Okay, three sides have the same length. Look, 9, 9,
Yes.
9, and the angles will be measuring 60 degree. That means inside an angle, the total angle will be 180 degree. Okay, so that means an angle measures will be 60 degree for a equilateral triangle. Okay, you can get it from the slide. Okay, Zara, don't be tense if you don't have textbook also. You can just get it from the slide. Okay,
Okay.
yeah, look here, equilateral triangle. A equal to B equal to C. Angle A equal to angle B equal to angle C. Okay. Now, what about isosceles triangle? Any two sides equal in length.
Yeah.
Okay. Any two sides equal in length. Understood?
Yes.
In an isosceles triangle, the length of two of the three sides are equal. So the angles opposite to the equal sides are equal to each other. So what it means? Look here, 8 centimeter. That means this is 8 centimeter and this is 8 centimeter. So these two sides will be equal and angle opposite to the equal side. That is, look here, equal side. Angle opposite to equal side means what? This is the angle opposite to the 8 centimeter, this side, and the angle opposite to this side. So these two angles also will be equal. Okay, so two sides. In equilateral triangle, three sides and three angles are equal. But in isosceles triangle, two sides are equal and two angles. The angle opposite to the equal sides are also equal. Okay, if you have any doubt, please ask me now itself. Okay, yeah, look here. In the isosceles triangle, AB equal to BC and angle BAC is equal to angle BCA. Understood? Now, what about scalene triangle? Can anybody guess? What is scalene triangle means?
The long triangle.
No. In
The
scalene triangle,
it's not equal.
yeah, no sides are equal. Three sides are unequal. Okay. Three sides are unequal in length. Okay. And no angles are also equal. No sides are also equal. So let me brief it. There are three different type of triangle. Equilateral triangle in which three sides and three angles are equal. Isosceles triangles in which two sides and two angles are equal. And scalene triangle in which no sides are equal and no angles are equal. Understood?
Yes.
Look here. And let me say you there are different type of angles also. I hope you know this. This is a right angle, an angle less than 90 degrees, acute angle, an angle greater than 90 degrees, obtuse angle. I think you can note it down. Just write it as a lecture note. Okay. Take your notebook, write triangles as a heading.
What, ma'am?
Take your notebook and write triangles as a heading. Make it fast, okay?
Ma'am,
Yes.
what's the spelling of triangle? Can you just tell me?
Triangles.
R-A-N-G. Done, ma'am.
Okay. And write like this, different type of triangles. Under that, write different type of triangles. And just write one equilateral triangle, two isosceles triangle, and three scalene triangle.
Okay, ma'am.
And in equilateral triangle, you just put a hyphen and write three sides and angles are equal. Okay, just like this. Put a hyphen and write three sides and angles are equal. Here isosceles, two sides and angles opposite to the equal sides are equal. I'll just write it. Equilateral you will be writing by your own, right? Three sides and angles are equal. Just write for equilateral triangle. And for isosceles, I'll just say what you have to write. Two sides and angles opposite to the okay. And under scaling, you can write no sides and no angles are equal. Or you can write three sides are unequal. Make it fast.
Miss third one.
What?
Third one.
Third one, scaling. You can just write three sides are unequal. Okay? Three sides are
Okay.
unequal. Hope you written the isosceles, right? And two sides and angles opposite to the sides are equal. Written. Under scaling, you can write three sides are unequal.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. What about everyone?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Make it fast.
Okay.
Can we move on?
Okay, ma'am.
All of you completed?
And the last one.
Under scaling, you can write three sides are unequal.
Done.
Completed?
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Now you can just write the different type of angles. Angles, and under angles you can just note down the same thing.
Ma'am, we have to draw the
Yeah, draw it. Draw
square.
it and write beside it.
Okay. Done, ma'am.
Okay. All of you completed?
Yes, I think.
Everyone completed? No? Please say no or yes.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Emil, why no sounds are coming from your side? Today you are so mute.
Good. Done, ma'am.
Okay. So can I move on?
Is that? Did you say like this?
Yes, dear. Okay. So I'm going to change it, okay? Sura and Emil completed. Avani?
Yes.
Okay. So I'll give you the an activity will be there for you as a homework. Okay, I'll give you in the assignment classroom. Okay, Suvera and Maria, you just accept the request. Okay, when you refresh your classroom, you can get a request from G4A Maths. Okay, accept that request, and I'll give you. If you accept only, I can give you that an assignment. Okay,
Okay.
so just say it out, and after the class you can just figure it out. Okay, those who have textbook you can do like that, and those who are not having textbook, you have a duty that you just see the s- the slide, and from the slide you just note the answers only. Okay, Suvara and Maria.
Okay.
What about Emil? Do you have textbook, Emil?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So which of these triangles are scalene? Say me fast.
The weak one?
B1.
Ma'am. And the word C.
C.
Is C
C.
No.
is C
No.
is
E.
C scalene?
No, not a C. E.
Yeah, E is okay. C is
E.
not scalene.
B.
B,
B.
D and E, right?
D, E,
What about
E,
E?
D,
Is
E.
E a scalene? Look here, this side and this side are equal,
Yeah.
and this side is only so. This is isosceles. Okay,
Yes.
so this is not scalene. This is not scalene. Only B and D is scalene. Okay. So you can just write the question number
Ma'am, I
one.
think.
Those who are not having textbook can just write the question number one and B and D. Just write the answer B and D. Those who are having textbook, just mark the answers. B, just put a tick mark on B and D.
I lost it.
Okay.
Ma'am, done.
Name each type of triangle. What type of triangle is A?
A
Yeah.
is
A
equilateral
is
triangle.
equilateral triangle. B.
B is
Very
isosceles.
good. I'll ask. No, I'll ask. Okay. One second. What about C? Bayan. Bayan. What about C?
Scalene.
C. I'm asking C. Maria, what is C?
Scalene.
Is C scalene? Swara, what is C? What type of?
Isosceles.
Do you feel this is an isosceles? Look, it is an equilateral triangle,
Isosceles.
right? Every sides are equal in this. Look here.
Yeah. Yeah.
So this is an equilateral triangle. This is a isosceles triangle, and this is an equilateral triangle again. What about this? D. Anyone can say the answer. D.
Ma'am, isosceles.
D.
No. The
Yeah,
scalene.
D is scalene triangle. What about this one? E1.
Mm.
E is
It's equilateral.
Is E equilateral? Every sides are equal in E. What do you
No.
feel?
Oh my
What
gosh.
about E then?
I think so.
It's an
Scalene.
isosceles triangle. Look here. This side and this side are equal. Look here. And this side is different.
Yes.
So this is an isosceles triangle. Okay.
Okay.
So after this class, Swara and Maria, you just take the slide in the classroom. Okay, and then you can write down the question number 2. A
Ma'am.
is equilateral, B is isosceles, C is equilateral, D is scalene, and E is isosceles. Okay,
Ma'am, someone came. Should I open the door? Just wait a minute.
sorry, what she said now?
Someone is knocking the door. I'm coming.
Okay. Yeah. Which of these triangles has an obtuse angle? Obtuse angle means what type of angle? The angle that is greater than 90 degree, right? Obtuse angles are the angles.
The close angle is the big one.
Yeah, B1 is having obtuse angle. Very good. Look here. B1 is having an obtuse angle here. So this B is having isosceles. I mean obtuse angle. What about any other is having obtuse angle?
C.
Where in C where it is having obtuse angle? Look, this is a right angle, right? This is a right angle, this is acute angle, and this is also acute angle, which is less than 90 degree. Here every angles are acute angle, and here also every angles are acute angle. So only in B there is obtuse angle, okay?
Yeah.
Yes. So children, this chapter is over. Okay. There is one more session in this chapter. We'll just the next session is symmetry. Okay. Do you know what a symmetry means?
I think it's the pattern or the designs.
What?
I think it's the designs.
Not
It's not
this.
designs. Symmetry means what?
In this chapter, we will learn many kinds of lines
Hmm.
and
Please turn on your video,
and
sir.
names.
Ma'am, types of pattern.
Symmetry means when we divide that into two, any picture or any shapes into two, we'll be getting two mirror shapes. Okay, that means no difference. When I divide my like this into two,
Okay.
it will be simply same, right? No difference will be there.
Okay.
Yes.
So in such a way, when we are dividing some shapes, and now we'll look how many symmetrical lines. That means when we draw a line which divides it into two different equal parts, then that will be having a symmetrical line. Okay, that is called a symmetrical line. Okay, symmetry and lines of symmetry is today's highlight. And just check it this. This is a rhombus and this is the lines of symmetry. Rhombus is having two lines of symmetry. One is a vertical line and one is a horizontal line. Not only two, it is having four lines of symmetry. Okay, such a way we will check many shapes and we'll just know how many lines of symmetry each shape has. Okay, look here. This all are the different types of symmetry, different lines of symmetry. This is having two lines of symmetry. Okay, and look here, the square. Square is having many symmetry. One, two, three, and it will be having four lines of symmetry. Okay, how many lines of symmetry does this pattern have?
Uh, I think two.
We just don't want to look the only shape. Okay, we have to look when we divide it whether it will be simply fully same. Will it be fully same when we divide it? Just check like this. We are dividing this, okay? Okay. First we'll check this. Okay, when I divide this into two, will this everything is equal here and here?
Yes.
Everything is equal? Huh? Are you sure? Look the colors here. Here it is green and here it is yellow, right?
Yes.
So is it same? Here also, here it is pink and here it is yellow. So this is different. It is not same. Okay. Now we'll just check. Look here. First we'll check this and here places does the pattern. No, the colors are different here. Okay. What about this type of symmetry? Here is also different colors are coming.
Different.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Different colors. Here it is pink and yellow. Here it is green and yellow. Here it is pink and green. So this is also different. So this is not symmetrical. Now we just check this type of symmetry. This line. Is this line same? Here it is okay. But here it is okay. And here it is different, right? Green
Yes.
and yellow here.
Yes.
Here it
Yeah.
is green and pink. So this is also not same. So this pattern is having zero lines of symmetry. Okay. So when you check for symmetry, you have to check the colors also, not only the patterns. You have to check the colors too. Okay. Now, how many lines of symmetry does each triangle have? Is this triangles having any lines of symmetry? Hmm? Yes, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
We can draw one symmetrical line here.
Yeah.
So the answer is 1 here. Okay. What about B? Is there any lines of symmetry in this for this shape? No. So this shape is having 0 lines of symmetry. What about this shape?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
How many lines of symmetry does this have?
One.
One line of symmetry. Very good. What about this? Is D is having any line of symmetry?
Yes.
Yes, it
One.
is having. One line of symmetry it is having. What about this? E?
No.
Mm,
No. E is having no
no.
lines of symmetry. What about F?
Yes.
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 How many lines of symmetry does F has?
Mm,
One line.
One.
One,
Two.
Two lines.
two,
Three.
Three.
three lines of
Yes.
symmetry this is having. Okay.
Okay.
So you can just write down the question number 1 in unit 2.2. Question number 1. A is having one line of symmetry. B is having
Ma'am,
zero
excuse
symmetry. C is having 1. D is having 1. E is having 0. And F is having 3.
ma'am, we can write in our textbook also
Yes, yes, you
because
can write
it's
in the textbook itself. No need of writing in the note. I said for those who are not having textbook.
Ma'am, what did you say? Can you repeat?
Yeah, just write the question number 1. Unit
Okay.
2.2, question number 1. Then A is having just write A 1, one line of symmetry.
Okay.
B is having 0.
Okay,
C
ma'am.
1, D 1, E 0, and F 3. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
ma'am done. Ma'am, can I drink some water?
Yeah, sure.
I'm done.
Okay. So, children, will you do the 2 and 3 as a homework?
Yeah.
If you have any doubt, we'll discuss it in the class tomorrow, anyways. But
Okay.
you should do it and come for tomorrow. Okay, Suvara and Maria, you can just look the questions from the slide. Okay,
Okay.
you can get the slide from Unit 2.2 slide. I already given Unit 2.2, and under that, the slide 2.2 will be there. Okay,
Ma'am, we have to do the homework 3 and 2.
2, 3, and 4.
Okay.
Okay, Yeah, that's it. So children, I hope this is the okay. It's your break time. So you can take your break. Okay.
Okay.
For tomorrow, don't forget, do and come the homework. Okay, I'll just put it in the classwork. The homework will be putting in classwork. If you do it, you can just submit it in the classwork. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
Maria, you just accept it. Okay, accept the request for the G for a mat
Okay,
now
ma'am.
itself. Okay, okay, then have a great day, everyone. Bye bye.
Ma'am, have a
Bye,
nice
ma'am.
day. Bye,
Bye
ma'am. Have
bye.
a nice day at school.
Thank you all.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.